Welcome to our channel, English with NS. Hi guys, hope you are fine. Today, we will write 10 lines on ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model created by OpenAI, which is American Artificial Intelligence Research Laboratory. It is based on the GPT 3.5 architecture. ChatGPT is designed to have conversations with humans. It has the ability to generate human-like responses to text-based inputs. ChatGPT can talk on a wide range of topics, from current events to personal interests. It can understand and respond to various languages and dialects. Its responses can be informative, humorous, or thought-provoking. ChatGPT has been trained on vast amounts of data from the internet and other sources. It has a deep understanding of grammar, syntax, and semantics, as it generates the contextually appropriate responses. It uses a neural network to process input and generate responses. It is already being used in various industries, such as customer service, healthcare, and education. Overall, its purpose is to assist with a wide range of tasks, including answering questions, providing recommendations, generating text, and more. It has been trained on a vast corpus of text from the internet, which allows it to understand and respond to a wide range of topics. It is continually learning and updating its knowledge, so feel free to ask it anything. Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe and also press the bell icon. Plus, don't forget to comment and share.